This place has always had a special place in my heart. It's the place for my grandfather and grandmother. And I'm in my heart a city girl, but I'm also in my heart a girl from nature, and I enjoy spending my time there to slow down. And yeah, it's everything to me. I've come here all my life, every weekend, every summer, with friends and family. And this weekend that I was there was only me and my grandmother, so it was a time of silence, but also a time for nature. And so I made this little video. Enjoy.